I want to say something else about the Turing test, which is a little bit of a joke, a little bit tongue-in-cheek, but here's what I wish to point out. In the Turing test, as it's usually presented, there's a judge who's attempting to distinguish a person from a computer, only getting little notes, little tweets, you might say, little messages. Now, the assumption of the technically minded nerd is that if the judge can't distinguish which is the computer and which is the person, it must mean that the computer has become elevated and has become like a person. But there's another logical possibility, which is that the person has gone down. The person might have made themselves debased. The person might have made themselves stupid. And that is why you cannot distinguish them from the computer. It's another logical possibility. There's nothing in the Turing test that tells us which happened. Furthermore, the judge might have become stupid. Okay, so you start with two people and one computer. Either the computer might become elevated or the people might become stupid. But because they're two people, I would argue that there's a 2/3 chance that a person became stupid rather than a machine became smart. Okay, so in general, anytime the Turing test seems to be passed, it probably means that people have gotten stupid.